These are the service elevators at the Brodhead Center at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. These are Otis Gen2s. These look really worn. Two-speed door, hospital-sized tall cab. Basement, guess that's locked. Panel's loose. I don't know where we can go. We can go to 3. Go to 3. I don't know where this goes. Maybe a kitchen. Yeah, I have no idea where this is. Back down the ground. It's a basic stainless steel hospital-sized cab. These elevators are really beaten up and worn out. I mean, they run pretty well, though, which is surprising. Here we go. One. I think there's a public one like there. I think these are service only. When were these installed? 2016. Here back at ground. Wait a sec. This wasn't the floor I was on. Closest now it's going to be at